I've got General Mobile GM5 Plus D, and let me show you how to clear the browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Chrome. Then select the More icon, which is 3.1 in upper corner, and then go to History. And now you can either delete each page by tapping on the bin icon, or you can delete all of them by tapping Clear Browsing Data. And now just select if you would like to clear browsing data, cookies, cache images and files, then go to Advanced. You can also delete saved passwords, autofill from data, site settings and media licenses. So if you want to delete all of them, just select them. If you would like to, for example, leave passwords, just unclick it. And finally select the time range, so just click over here. And now decide if you would like to delete content from last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or from the beginning, from all time. So let me pick the last option, from all time, and finally click on Clear Data. Give your device a while, and as you can see, there's no history here, so all browsing data has been deleted. You can create it from the scratch. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.